guys, it's Jodi. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a plan with me in my Hobonichi. We're going to be using this super cute kit from Lil'AnnabellesPlans. It's called Count Your Blessings. I think it's adorable to use. Little pumpkins and a little box that says Give Thanks. I'm using this kit this week because it's Thanksgiving in Canada. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is the actual holiday. I also have this super cute die cut. This is Annabelle, and she's dressed in a fox's outfit with her pumpkin, and Sanya, the shop owner, put my name in it, so I think it's super cute. I'm also going to be using some Simply Gilded washi in blue and orange with gold bows. See, it matches the kit really well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Put my glasses on first because I'm blind. So we go ahead and lay the bottom washi. So I believe it's Columbus Day down in the States. I know you have a holiday weekend the same as we do. It's pretty neat that we have the same day, but we have two different holidays. So when you have your holiday in November, we don't have one. So when you have Thanksgiving, we'll all still be working away. After this holiday, there's nothing vacation-wise, holiday, off work kind of holiday, unless you're a government employee, and then that would be Remembrance Day, and that's the only other day that's a holiday. So I'm going to go ahead and put the top washi on. So there's some big sales going on right now. The Made in Canada planner sale is on, and that goes until tomorrow, which is the 14th. And also right now is the pink planner sale, and that ends today at midnight. And some of the shops that I PR for are in both of the sales. You can find the links below. There's Simply Beautiful Plans, The Prairie Planner, and they're in the Made in Canada sale. And, oh geez, now I got a wrinkle. And Winterfield Studios is in the Canadian, the Pink Planner sale. So they have different codes, and you'll find them below, or if you go onto my Instagram at JODICAKE, JODICAKE, you'll see the codes there listed and the links to all of the shops as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put my washi in, which I normally do to track my weather and my meals. I have to get my tweezers and get my X-Acto blade and my card so that I can cut it. So you doing anything for your long weekend? We are having dinner with some friends tomorrow. Looking forward to that. We usually get together with them on Thanksgiving. We do a Friendsgiving, which is really nice because we don't have family in the area, and neither does she. So we typically do it together, which is really nice. So hi, Leanna. Looking forward to it tomorrow. And cut this top part as well. Hopefully I don't cut through the page because we all know how thin the pages are. And then what I'll do is I'm going to put the bottom trackers down first so that I have enough space. I can track a few habits. There. So now I know how far I can go over. Try to find the end of this because it is always so difficult. It's tiny. See if I can get this laid down straight the first time. And I did. Yay! It's not always the case. Usually I hit the struggle bus. Also, this shop, Lil'AnnabellesPlans, she's going through she has a 25% off sale right now. No code needed. She's discontinuing a bunch of stickers. So I think there's 30 of them in total. So the shop will be until the 16th. Those items will be 25% off. And for the rest of the items, you can use my code, and that's JODI25. It'll save you 25%. Links down below as well. So let's go ahead and put some full boxes in. I want to use the Give Thanks one and put it at the top as my theme box. It's so cute. And then that leaves me with 3 full boxes, so I'm going to go ahead and stagger them. I want to put the pumpkins. I think I got to use my tweezers. My nails are kind of awkward to lay down stickers right now. So I'll put this on actually Thanksgiving, so that's tomorrow. See if I can get it straight. Okay, and then we'll put the striped one. No, let's put the blue one in the middle. Do that on Wednesday. And then the striped one we'll put on Friday. And on Tuesdays, it is $2 Tuesday. Oops. So I'm going to go ahead and put one of these little boxes down. Wednesday's Washi Wednesday, but normally I'll put down a washi little Annabelle character from Lil'AnnabellesPlans, and I did not bring them up with me today, so can't put that in. And on Thursday, I grocery shop, so I'll go ahead and put a box in for that. Normally I don't use my weekend banner, but I think I'm going to this week. Oops, just a little too long. I cut the top of it off, make it neat. Oh, there, perfect. Perfect. So let's go ahead and put the checklists in as well. I think I just hit the camera, I'm so sorry. Get the checklists in every day. So I ordered my 2020 Hobonichi, and it came in. I'm so excited. Yay! And it's a mega. And so take a little break of this and I'll show you it. I went for the light pink this time, because this one is actually pink. And apparently I'm not going to be able to open it. Oh man. Clearly I should have done this ahead of time. Sorry for the noise. So this is a mega this time. They had them on sale from Amazon Japan. So I got it for the same price as a normal week's, and what the only difference is the notes section is twice as big as the notes section in the normal Hobonichi. So you get all of this many pages instead of just the little amount. So I'm really pleased. I'm so excited. Can't wait to get into it. Starts January. So this is my baby. And this is what came in the package. A little cartoon. They call it the Life Book. It's in Japanese, of course. I can't read it. But it talks about the Hobonichi. Super cute. And then this looks like a little journaling card, just kind of like a thank you and telling you to go to a website. So that's that. I'm excited for it. Let's get back to regularly scheduled programming now. Finished putting these down. There we go. So I think I was asking what you were up to this weekend, whether you had anything special going on for your long weekend. Do you celebrate, how do you celebrate Columbus Day? Is it anything where you do like a big family meal, or do you, like, I don't know, I've never understood that holiday. I'm not really sure what it's about. So if you want to leave a comment below and tell me, that would be nice. Us Canadians, we don't really stay up. Well, I guess we kind of these days stay up on U.S. happenings and politics. I'm not going to get into that. I'm going to be putting down a to-do header from Fabulously Planned. So for my to-dos this week. I'm also going to put down a happy mail, and this is from Lil'AnnabellesPlans. It's a custom script. This is on clear paper, however the clear paper is going from the shop, so from now on it will be white in the back. And I'm going to put that about here. I am expecting some packages, so I don't know if they'll all come in or not. Next I'm going to put vitamins, and this is again from Lil'AnnabellesPlans, and this is how the scripts will come from now on the white background. And so I'm going to put that on one of my trackers. And next I'm going to be using this prescription sheet, and this is from the Prairie Planner, and I'm a PR girl for her as well. And I'm going to go ahead and take an orange one, match my kit this week, and put it on my habit tracker. Oops, because those are the two things that I track. And Friday is garbage day, so I'm going to use one of these cute trash cans, and this is from Lil'AnnabellesPlans again, and this is in the fall colorway. And I think I'll use this kind of color one here. It matches the kit. Actually, it matches it perfectly. And then Monday's Coffee Monday. This is a sheet of coffee cups from CreationsByJaro. I'm also a PR girl for her. And this sheet has been reformatted. I just have the old one that I want to use up. So I'm going to put that on Monday. And these are the glitter ones. And I always have a relaxing coffee morning on Sunday as well. Usually watch planner videos and plan. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on Sunday as well. So now let's get my lines in where I track the weather, separate the boxes. Oops. And then that will be it for this plan with me. I want to thank you all for joining me again. Thank you for sticking around with me through all of my past videos. And if you're a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. It's nice to have you part of my YouTube community. And thank you for everybody who's stuck with me. And if you like what you see, if you like my videos, please hit the like button. Clearly my mouth is not working. And subscribe to my channel, because it helps my channels when you subscribe to me. It supports me. And hit the notification bell so you'll know when my next one comes up. So this is it. This is my spread. Put Annabelle in. So thanks again for visiting. Have a wonderful, wonderful day, and have a happy Thanksgiving for all of my Canadian viewers. And we'll see you next time. Bye now.